श्रीराम सीता मनोहरमा श्रीराम श्रीराम सीता मनोहरमा श्रीराम सीता मनोहरमा ஏலற நீதய இந்தை நரதய ஏலற நீதய இந்தை நரதய ஸ்ரீராம सीता मनोहरमा सारदा सदय स्वामी ताळद
अखिलांड कोट ब्रह्मांड नायकाय तत्वातीताय सच्चिदानंद मूर्तये सूर्य वंशवामनाय श्रीमद्विख्वाक वंशोद्भवाय साक्षात् श्रीमन्नारायण स्वरूपाय साक्षात् श्रीरामचंद्रवर्मणे वराय
राम सीता मनोहरमा
नंदुलारेणा लोकरक्षण हेतुना कंठे भद्राणि सुभगे सादेव जगदांशकम् माङ्गल्यधारण मुहूर्तस्य मुहूर्तोऽस्तु
श्रीराम सीता मनोहरमा पंकज वदन माबागुग जुडुमा पंकज वदन माबागुग जुडुमा श्रीराम
We have been celebrating Ramanavami since Wednesday evening, and your presence has created the vibrance inside the temple. And I want to thank all the sponsors and volunteers of all the committees who made this a grand success.
To introduce our team, my name is Srinivas Kapoor. I'm from Lansing area, Mokokimos area. I want to introduce our singers, Mr. Jayamurli Nair. Lakshmi ji, lead singer Neelakantan ji, Deepak Verma ji from Dance Music, Harish ji on Ghatan, and our beloved Venkatesh ji on Mridangam. Thank you so much. We have a small Mridangam artist actually. Sarang. So, he's been, I've been watching, that's Mridangam is very heavy, he's keeping it on his foot all the time and playing all the watching intently. Whatever Venkatesh is doing, he's doing it. He's doing it, he's doing it, it's just so beautiful.
నమో శ్రీరామ సీతామనోగరమా ఎన్నాళ్ళ దీనత ఇది నీకు యోగ్యత ఎన్నాళ్ళ దీనత ఇది నీకు యోగ్యత శ్రీరామ సీతామనోగరమా పలికి బొంగవట పరమ శాందువడ పలికి బొంగవట పరమ శాందువడ శ్రీరామ సీతామనోగరమా